In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page numbers to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make your page numbers look clean and professional. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once your document is loaded, head to the top toolbar and choose the Edit tool. This brings up the editing options you need for adding text elements to your pages. On the left side, you'll see a panel with different editing features. Select Header and Footer, then click Add. Headers and footers are perfect for page numbers because they sit consistently at the top or bottom of each page without changing the main content of your document. A dialog box will open with placement fields for the top and bottom, each split into left, center, and right. Click into the area where you want your numbers to appear. Bottom center is a popular choice for a classic look, but bottom right or top right can also work well, especially for reports or longer documents. Think about your page margins and any existing footers so your numbers don't overlap important information. Next, click Insert Page Number. You'll see a placeholder appear in the field you selected. If you want, you can add a short label, like page, before the number. But keeping it simple is often best for readability. Look for the options to set the number format, choose a starting page number, and adjust the font style and size. Formats can be standard Arabic numerals, or more formal options like Roman numerals. Starting at a different number is helpful if your first page is a cover or title page. Use a font that's clear and professional, and size it so it's visible without drawing too much attention. Use the preview to see how your page numbers will appear across the document. Flip through a few pages to check alignment, spacing, and contrast. Make sure the numbers aren't too close to the edge and that they're easy to read against any backgrounds or graphics. When everything looks right, click OK to apply the numbering to your PDF. Finally, save your file with the new page numbers. Choosing Save As is a good idea if you want to keep an original copy without page numbers. That's it. You've added page numbers in a precise, consistent way using Adobe Acrobat. Pause the video and follow along with your own document, and you'll have polished, professional pages in no time.